everyone, and welcome back to Atman Unlimited. We have a mobile version going on. We are heading down to Zanesville, Ohio for John Saunders' NYC CNC open house. A little late starting. Some people asked me to vlog it. I'm not really a vlogger, but we'll give it a shot and we'll get some footage for you guys. We're in Pennsylvania right now, coming down from Buffalo, and we'll get some footage and see how it goes. We're going to try to hit up the Friday night dinner and get to meet everybody ahead of time. So, hope you enjoy the footage, and we'll see you at the open house. I'll throw some time lapse in here. I didn't get as much footage of the open house as I really wanted to, but I spent the majority of my time interacting with the people at the open house, specifically answering questions on machine alignment and some of the concepts and topics that I cover on our channel, and also meeting new people, also meeting some of the people that helped supported our channel. We gave away a couple of free shirts to some of the viewers, so it was a very enjoyable time. Now, for the couple of people that are watching this that never heard of This Old Tony, I'm going to put a card to one of his videos, and in that video he had Adam Booth pretend he was modeling hand cream. And I had a great idea to make Adam a shirt from This Old Tony's logo. So the majority of this video is going to be making that shirt. If you've never seen embroidery done, it's actually pretty cool. It's CNC, but instead of, controlling a tool and cutting metal, you're laying down thread. So for this procedure, the first thing that we do is we lay down a bottom hoop, and we use magnet hoops. They got magnets in between them, so the material gets stuck between the lower hoop and the upper hoop with magnets. Then you put down a piece of backing, and this is just another kind of fabric material that helps support all of the thread and the embroidery that you're going to put on it. And then this little stand here helps you locate where you want the embroidery to be positioned. Now, if you do embroidery and you're watching this, please keep the chuckles to a minimum. I don't do this a lot. I work out in the garage. This is my wife's realm. I just asked her to make a whole bunch of shirts that we could give away at the open house, so I figured since I asked her to do all this work, I probably should go up there and help her. So now once you got the shirt positioned on the plate, then you just smack the upper hoop down, the magnets stick together, and boom, the garment is hooped, and you stuff it in the machine. So here's some sped up high speed of making Adam's shirt, and it's in the hoop with the special backing on it, and the machine is going. Now the actual run time in real time was about 12 minutes, I think, to do this logo. So we did like a silver white color for the lettering, and then we outlined it all in black, and it's the Avon79 rather than Avon79 that This Old Tony came up with. And if you haven't watched that video, again, there's a card for this video. It is absolutely hysterical. I literally spit my drink out all over my computer monitor the first time I saw the clip. So this machine is really cool to watch. It's putting in 1,200 stitches per minute. That's the measurement that the embroidery industry uses. And if you think about that, in between every single stitch, it is repositioning the garment, pretty accurately. The alignment procedure for this machine is very similar to our CNC machines, and it's actually on a very similar accuracy scale. They want stuff adjusted within 2 to 3 thousandths of an inch to maintain this machine operating properly. So it is a really cool machine, and it's kind of fun to watch. It's very loud though. I was surprised at how loud these things are. And then part of the magic for these, just like we have CAD CAM, they call it digitizing, but the way that you lay the stitches down can give different effects of color on the thread. So there's the final finished product. And then we're finishing our drive to Ohio, and we went straight to the, I think it was Weasel Brothers. There was a pizza bar that they had a get-together at, and a lot of people showed up. Not the 600 people. There were maybe, I don't know, I'm guessing somewhere between 25 and 50 people there, you know, that were also going to go to John's place, you know, the next morning. So again, we got to meet all the big YouTubers. John got presented a really awesome fire pit that another person plasma cut and then welded together. It was really cool. I'm sure you'll see videos on it on YouTube. So then when we got to the pub, we presented Adam his shirt, and he played along great. He was a very good sport about it. You know, he liked a good joke as well. We'll see if it shows up on his channel or not, but everybody had a really good chuckle over it. And Adam is just a wonderful guy as well, you know, very laid back, low key. So we're just leaving the hotel, got in yesterday evening, went to the little get together at the pub, so that was fun, got to meet everybody. So far, good trip. We got to meet some Atman's viewers at the hotel, so that was pretty fun. So we're heading over to Saunders now. As we pulled up to the shop, you got an idea at how many people were going to show up for this. John's parking lot was completely full, and he filled up the fair amount of the parking lot across the street. So it was pretty neat pulling in and seeing the turnout that he was going to have, you know, just first thing in the morning. Here we are at NYC CNC, Saunders Machine Works, and John was nice enough to let us come in, and we did a little bit of demonstration on our alignment techniques that we showed in our previous videos. So we got the granite square out, we've got the level out, and we've got the indicators out. We met a lot of our viewers, a lot of John's viewers. So we had a really good time here, and thank you, John, for having us at your open house, and hopefully we can make it next year. So we had a good time. Well, John Saunders' open house is wrapped up and in the book. We are heading home. It was a really good time. I got to meet quite a few of our viewers, which was really cool. I got to listen to a lot of really neat success stories from viewers that both have Fidel machines and, you know, just need a little bit of help, and also people that have other machines that, you know, need a little bit of help with alignment or control or Fusion 360 post-processing. I got to meet with the Fusion 360 guys a little bit and talk to them, so that was cool. I think some good things are going to come out of that. Overall, it was a really good time. So, you know, a really big thank you to John Saunders. He is just like he is on the videos in real life. He's a really good guy, and he opened up his shop to everybody, and it was a lot of fun. So, you know, kudos to John, and thanks for having us out.